Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the assignments element in Salesforce Builder Flow. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our setup and then we need just to go to our flows and then access to our flow builder. So here I'm just going to create a new flow and after that, we will need just to go and start from scratch and click next. I'm going to use a record triggered flow or anything just so we can add our assignments, and from there we will need just to search for our assignments. And basically for your assignments, first we need to give it some variable, and let's just name it my assignment. You can name it whatever you like, depends on what you want to add for your assignment, and API name. So from here are the variable values that you're going to add. So let's say that we are going to manipulate opportunity or the account ID or any field for your objects. So here I'm just going to search for uh, some variable. You can add assignments. So I'm just going to add variable. You can choose any resource. You can use anything, and basically we can name it anything that we like. You can add a new resource. You choose uh, what you'd like, either a constant variable, etc. And basically we need just to choose a variable and you give it a name, a record or whatever, and the type would be a record, for example. And then we will need to make sure that they are enabled for inputs or for outputs. It depends on what your need is, and of course the objects that you are going to manipulate. For example, we can go for opportunities or whatever you'd like. So from here, I'm just going to name it an opportunity or new one or whatever. We click on done, and now we have our variable. Now the operator, so you can be able to set your values. So here, when the value is equal to something, so it depends on the resource of this value should be. So either a constant, and basically we need to give it a text or a number, and the number, for example, would be 100. I'm going to click on the API name, my const, and it should be like that. And I'm going to click on done, and this is my const. And basically, we need to match the variable name since this is a record. So basically, we need to be equal to another record. Well, this is just how the assignment works. So basically, you will need just to add as many assignments, and then you will need just to put this element where you want to verify all the elements or anything. And when this one would be true, you will be having, or you will need just to go and add some elements, and by that you will be able to start creating your assignments. So simply this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.